Zia and Nunu first met, they are starting to work on the film. The atmosphere they have is pleasantly different. Nunu is gay panicking when Zia gets close to him, and he occasionally feels uncomfortable. Things gradually change after they had been in a set for many days. Nunu is becoming more at ease with the Z, and as you can see, he can also tease BZ. They started out as friends, but now they open up about their feelings for each other on social media. They're extremely clingy to each other in the clip above, which was taken when the camera was turned off. Their love language is teasing and being clingy to each other. BZ revealed on Twitter that he enjoys taking care of Xinyu and that his actions speak louder than words. Even the director of their film is baffled by their relationship because they tend to make their own scenes on the show, unscripted. According to the creators of the Cutie Pie series, almost 3 kissing scenes were unscripted. It is clear that they have a romantic relationship to each others.